Rob for Rob's Guitar School, and we got some quick riffs here. So I'm going to do a quick riff for You Shook Me All Night Long. So let's get right to it with our quick riff. So let me play it. All right, how do we play it? Okay, basically we've got we got a G chord, and we're going to have a Cadd9 chord, and we're going to have a D chord, and you know, we'll throw those chord charts up for you. So what we're going to do here now, actually I'll just show you quick. Pinky here on string 1 at the 3rd fret, ring finger on string 2 at the 3rd fret, middle finger on string 6 at the 3rd fret, and first finger on string 5 at the 2nd fret. Okay, so that starts. We're gonna make that G chord, and we're just gonna hit the low, the 6th string, and then strum the rest of the chord. And then what we're going to do is we're going to hit the open A string, the 5th string, and then play the 2nd fret on the 5th string. So we have so far. Okay, now we do our Cadd9 chord shape, and all that is really mini G. We have our G, we just move our 1st and 2nd fingers down 1 string each. So this one's on the 5th string, and that one's on the 4th string. 3rd fret and 2nd fret respectively. So we had okay. So from the Cadd9 we're gonna go 5, 3, 2. And that's in terms of what strings we are playing here. 5th string, 3rd string, 2nd. And then now throughout this whole thing, we're going to keep our 3rd finger anchored on string 2 at the 3rd fret. My 1st finger is going to go to string 5 at the 2nd fret. I'm going to go 5, 2, 3, 5, 2, 3. So before on the Cadd9 it was 5, 3, 2. On this chord, which is also called a GB, 5, 2, 3, 5, 2. Then we're going to play a D chord here, and if you don't know D, 1st finger is going to be on the 2nd fret of string 3. 3rd finger is going to be on the 3rd fret of string 2, and middle finger's on the 2nd fret of string 1. Okay, and what we're doing here with the D chord is we're going to play the 4th string open, and then strum the rest of the chord. So we have okay, then we're almost done here, and then we're just going to go on string 5. We're going to go open, and then 2nd fret, and then Cadd9, 5, 3, 2. In terms of what strings we're picking up with the right hand, 5, 3, 2. Then once again, that 3rd finger stays anchored. 1st finger is going to go to string 5 at the 2nd fret. We're going to go 5, 2, 3. And then we're at our G chord, and then we're going to hit the bass note and strum the rest. So we get the whole thing. And there we go. That's it for quick riffs on the chorus part for You Shook Me All Night Long by AC/DC. And a quick tip for you to help you learn anything on YouTube here. In the bottom right hand corner of this video that you're looking at right now is a cog icon. And if you click on that, you can adjust the playback speed to like 75% or 50%. Without changing the tuning of the instrument. So it's really, really awesome for learning anything on YouTube. So check that out. And if you're interested in lessons from us at Rob's Guitar School here, there's a handy link on the bottom here, where you can take lessons from a real live person. And during that free lesson, we'll learn your goals on guitar, and we'll teach you something right away to get you where you want to be on guitar. And these are by expert instructors vetted by me. And then, you know, and if you're interested in continuing lessons afterwards, we have a special for YouTube viewers of 20% off your first month of tuition. So I highly recommend checking it out. You'll learn much faster with a teacher. YouTube is awesome, and we love being on YouTube here, but there's just no way around it. Teachers, you learn faster. So, all right, you guys have a great one, and we'll see you next time around on Rob's Guitar School for Quick Riffs.